Hi everyone, it's John from Basjoo Gardening Services, and I've just taken or received delivery of the Dewalt Power Secateurs here. So this is kind of an unboxing video. So without further ado, let's get into the box and see what we've got. Okay, as you would expect, the manual inside there with the warranty. We'll be coming back to that soon. Okay, and then we've got the bare unit. So like most of the brands, once you buy into one of the particular brands in terms of the batteries, you tend to then stick with the ecosystem. So this is the bare unit. I've got Dewalt tools already, so here we go. This is the Dewalt battery that I've already got, and this didn't come today with the purchase. It was just literally the bare unit that I purchased. Okay, so personally I've been sitting on the fence for the last couple of weeks on this particular purchase. I've used hand secateurs for this particular job in the past, and it was kind of tipping from the essential category into kind of the non-essential category. This particular purchase, secateurs got the job done. There was an opportunity to spend some money on some new tools, and this seemed like a good choice to reduce the fatigue. Increasingly in terms how I operate and how I work, I'm increasingly looking at ways to reduce fatigue and therefore increase the amount of workload ultimately that I can take on the profit margins that come with that as well. So a lot of the work that I do is being reviewed, the particular type of tasks, how I go about doing those tasks, and what kind of money I make for those individual specific tasks. How many times can I say tasks in one short period of time? Okay, so let's go. Okay, so you've got the safety clip on the bottom that you fold back, and that engages the trigger. Right, let's find something to cut. Okay, over here we've got this buddleia. Let's just make a start with that.